Hello everyone, welcome to Jackson. I'm Jackson. That's why the channel is called Jackson. Today is Tuesday, January 13th, 2015, and this is the wonderful wonderness that is dog walking. I apologize on the lighting, but it's dark. Yeah, there you go, you can see. But walking dogs in the dark is not the funnest thing to do, and I'm doing that now. Oh, hey Jake. Hey, how are you doing? Jake's walking the other dog. I don't think I've ever said this. We got two dogs. Bella's over there. Okay, never mind. You couldn't even see anything. Bella's over there being stupid, and Gunner is over there. They're both mini schnauzers. Bella is 4 and Gunner is 2. I think. Oh. Did you just tell him to poop? Oh. Holy crap, it's so cold. I'm going to stop filming because it's cold and I gotta warm up. Okay, now we're playing a super intense game of Mario Party 6, which I don't even like 6 that much. Treasure trackers, oh boy, I'm gonna play a mini game. Luigi's victorious, yay! Now on to the next mini game. You'll be playing Sunday Drivers. That's not a driving game. Can you believe it? It's golf.
What? I hate this one. It doesn't feel good when you press
Yes! You suck so much. I know the picture's blurry, but you gotta have this. So what were you saying when we started the game? It feels good?
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't feel good when you press A.
Yeah.
Why were you raging so much?
It was hard.
Oh. It was hard. Now it's time for some Indiana Jones in really bad lighting.
Dude, you gotta jump, you know.
I can do that.
Ah!
I just need to change the lighting.
Yay!
The game disc could not be
I
read.
can still hear it.
You can still hear the rock. Is that creepy? Ah! Whoa, guys, what's that? Is there a thunderstorm? Ah! No, it's the error. That's the sound of a rock rolling.
What? A huge rock?
Well, yeah, you saw it was on the screen. We were running away from a rock, and
Can we just turn the game back on?
Can
I don't know.
leave now?
no,
not.
I must stay.
Baby's in there.
Nah, doesn't matter. But we literally.
Yay!
The game is broken.
It's so stupid.
Yes.
That's fabulous.
I hate
Jake's
this game.
coming.
Oh!
Yeah. We never got Mario Party to work. I just continued to have those error messages come up, and I have no idea why, but I've had this happen to me before, because whenever I play Mario Party 6 on the Wii, it for some reason just pulls up these error messages, but when I play it on my GameCube, it just, nothing happens. I don't know what's wrong with the Wii, but, I mean, come on. It's very strange. We never got to finish the rock game, the one where we were running away from the rock. You know, that one. But that loud rock noise did sound like thunder. It was kind of creepy, because it was like, and it was scary. I hope that sound effect helped everything out. Anyway, that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and check back next time for some more stuff right here on Jackson. See you guys then.